let's connect your ELM327 OBD2 interface to your phone. First, you gotta do is to open your connections, then Bluetooth, and then scan for your OBD2, which would appear at the bottom part of your screen. Should be coming now. There you go. And just click on it. Now it will ask you for a pairing request. It's either 000, 4 zeros, or 123. So in this case, I'm going to try 000 first. And if it is not successful, you try again with 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me get it right. 1 2 3 4. And then press done. Okay, and it should say that your OBD2 is successful. There you go. So you can see the paired device there, and let's try it.
Connected to
And
OBD.
your device is now connected to your Torque Pro. That's all there is to it.